Imagine creating videos like this with just AI.
No teacher, no help, just pure determination. He wrote his dreams on scrap paper. No one will believe this.
Top student of the year. It goes to him. Kuli Ajay.
Today, I want to talk to you about the boy you laughed at, the boy you called names every single day. I didn't have much, and most days I went home to empty plates and silent walls. You saw my uniform and my shoes, and you made fun of me. You thought I was nothing.
If you enjoy content like this, please take a second to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Hi, I'm Joyce-May. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're already part of the family, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you. On this channel, I share how to create faceless AI content, storytelling videos, and video editing tips, even if you're a beginner, to help you grow and earn online. Now, let me show you exactly how I made this step by step.
Okay guys, what the first thing to do, we'll head over to ChatGPT, of course. So this is where we get our stories, ideas, and you can use there are other ones you can use but I like using ChatGPT, and we all know what, like, and mind you, ChatGPT is just here to assist. It's not here to do all the work for you. So it all depends on your prompting, what you're telling ChatGPT to do for you. Don't just give ChatGPT a just simple statement and say, or maybe one and say, please, I need a story of a boy doing this or something, or a girl doing this. Your prompting matters a lot. So that's why, even as we go, let's just head into it. So we are using ChatGPT for this. So I'm going to paste this prompt here. So in case you need the exact prompt, please don't hesitate to say it in the comment section and I'll send it to you. I say, write a short, emotional, and highly engaging storytelling script about student. The story should be divided into 5 clear scenes. Make it feel real, dramatic, and relatable. Start with strong hook that grabs attention immediately. The story should be about a poor student who is constantly mocked by classmates but secretly work hard and later shock everyone. Each scene should be short 2 to 4 lines. Be very visual, like a movie scene. Build curiosity and emotion. End with suspense so viewers want to keep watching. Include the sad moment, this answer. So I hit the enter button. Let's wait and see what ChatGPT is going to give to us. So, wow, isn't it called in Mr. Empty Pocket? Every single day I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to give me, of course, we have our scenes, right? So we need to generate our images, right? You get? So now I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to give me the prompt. At this point, you tell ChatGPT to give you a prompt for you to generate your images. Okay. Well, ChatGPT has already given me a prompt. So we copy our first prompt. So the next thing now, I'm going to head over to our image generation app, which for this one we are using a Gemini AI. So you go to your Chrome browser. You also have the app, so you go to your Chrome browser and type Gemini AI. So you click on this first one here, and to bring you here. I've already done this in my previous videos, so to bring you here. Please, in case you're using this Gemini AI and to a point you say they tell you they cannot generate more images for you, please do well by logging out from your current email, the current email you're using, and log in with another email so that you can continue generating your images. And if you're logging with a new email, please do well by highlighting your images so that it will give you that consistent characters, because sometimes you can come and they're giving you a different characters entirely. So this is to show you want to make music, generate image. So you click on generate image. So let's paste our prompt. So let's hit the enter button. So it's creating our image. Over and copy our second prompt. So at this point, let's just say if you're making your videos for TikTok, please indicate it. If you want it for YouTube, like this size we are doing right now is for YouTube. Let me just say for TikTok size, let's say image size 9 by 16. You see what I say, but you just say 9 by 16. So you just analyze it like you want him to do the calculation to give you the answer. So that's why you have to indicate it. This is the image size. So, but I think I'm going with this YouTube size. This is 10 by 9. So let's copy our second prompt, which is second prompt. Okay. paste. Since we've already said it's 9 by 16, if we paste this now, it will give us a 9 by 16. So we have to indicate that 16 by 9. So I just did that to give you, to show you a clear example. So 16 by 9. Okay, this is actually okay. Keep it. Let's save our video. So if it's not something we want when generating, animating our images, so we can fix that as we in this process. So if you have watched to this point, that means it's something that you want. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and please turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I share a new video. Thank you. We're heading over to our scene 3. So let's copy the prompt. Our next image. So this is it. This is cool. So this is what you do for all the scenes. You generate the images for all the scenes. You copy and paste it on this Gemini AI I just showed you, and you generate all your images. The next thing now is for us to head over to our video generation app. You can use anyone to generate your video depending on the one you love or you have access to. For me, I'm using Grok. I'm using Grok AI. So at this point, we know Grok has put a tag on it that you need to subscribe. But there's a way that you can use Grok for free, which I have explained that in my previous videos. So, but here I'm using the Grok app. Yes, you can as well subscribe if you have the money, subscribe, or you can do it for, you can do the 3 days trial and generate your videos and see the outcome. If you want it and you have the money, then you pay for it. So I'm using Grok right now. So we head over to Grok AI. Like I say, you can use anyone. Flow is free. You can also use this Grok AI for free. So in case you've not gotten the information, or you can watch my previous video, or if you still want me to make a video on this, how you can use it for free, please indicate it in the comment section. So I'm using Grok. I click Grok. So here you can, the interface. For those that don't know, as you can also generate your images from here, but I like using Gemini AI. So now in the imagine, we click on imagine, it will take us to this dashboard. You click on image sign here, you click on editing our photo, as we're making it turn to video live. So now we have our pictures here. So first you go and copy our script prompt on what we want. This is scene 1.
Why are you even here? He looks so tattered.
At this point, I think I love this.
Every night he studied till his eyes burned. No teacher, no help, just pure determination. He wrote his dreams on scrap paper. No one will believe this. Every night he studied till his eyes burned. No teacher, no help, just pure determination. He wrote his dreams on scrap paper. No one will believe this.
Okay, we'll head over to the next scene. So rain is falling now, so I'll try to be audible. Please bear with me. I can't keep this for today, so bear with me. So we upload this the image we want to use, of course, pasted the script just like the way we did for the first one. So if there's one thing I do is that if there are something, like for example, there are so many people on the assembly ground, right? So how will you indicate the Kunle? So one thing I did is that I took out that picture, took it to CapCut. You see where they say edit photo. So I gave it a mark on his shirt. So I now prompt my AI to know that that person with a mark on his shirt is Kunle. So Kunle should have that reaction that I want. So as I paste it, make some adjustment, it's loading.
Top student of the year. It goes to him. Kunle Ajay.
So all we have to do is to follow the same process for all. Just like the way we animated the other videos, it's the same process till you finish your scene. Do you get? So if you have watched to this point, do well by hitting the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you. So at this point, I want ChatGPT to help me regenerate this image right here. I want him to position Kunle in the middle. The student should be facing in front, behind, and the side, so that he will be in the middle while he addressed the students. Because what it gave me first is just looking at the camera. That means he's backing the student, so I have to reprompt this. So I pasted that image I just generated, then paste my script prompt for it to animate. It's loading.
Today, I want to talk to you about me. About the boy you laughed at. The boy you called names every single day. I didn't have my shoes were torn. My bag barely held my book.
So from here, I have to do the second clip of his address message. You know, since it's 10 seconds, some is 6 seconds, you can't copy everything. If not, it won't say anything. It will be more than the duration. So we keep doing clip by clip, like copy small for it to say, and then copy the next one, and so on and so forth. So guys, next
Today,
thing
I
I
want to talk to
pasted
you
the second clip,
about the boy you laughed at.
the second
The boy you called names every single day.
script for him to
I didn't
say.
have,
Then
but while you laughed, I worked. I studied late at night by candlelight. I wrote my dreams on scraps of paper. I promised myself that one day I'll surprise everyone.
okay guys, after I finished animating my videos, so the next thing I did, I head over to CapCut, of course, to do the finishing touches. And in case you're not used to editing with CapCut, or you don't know how to edit your videos, I have created we are in a 30 days video editing series, so we are in our day 3. So in case you don't know, I will leave the description. In case you don't know, check the description. You will find a link to that, or you can just comment and I will send it to you. Are you seeing this, guys? So this is where editing comes in. So from here, there's something he said that I would love us to put an overlay.
But while you laughed, I worked. I studied late at night by candlelight.
Yeah, here.
I studied late at night.
So click on overlay.
I worked. I studied late at night by candlelight. I wrote my dreams on scraps of paper. I promised myself that one day. I wrote my dreams on scraps of.
So at this point, I'm trying to split the part that is not necessary, because according to his statement, he wrote his dream on scraps of paper. So we have where it shows him writing on the scrap of paper. So that's where I want to cut and mesh together. So from here, I'm going to split here. Yeah, right here. I'm going to split, then delete this. Then I will now drag this to meet up with the other one for them to mesh together. Yes. So now let's see the difference. I'll zoom it, then for it to fit the screen. Okay guys, so now I think this from here we are all set. Let's see the difference now. Let's see the difference.
You thought I was nothing, but while you laughed, I worked. I studied late at night by candlelight. I wrote my dreams on scraps of paper. I promised myself that one day.
Wow, guys, this is really emotional. I felt so emotional. Seriously, their reaction, oh my god. In case you need a personal class, you can also reach out to me.
As I stood among them. Here is what I want you to know, never make fun of their early struggles, their small business, their quiet dreams, because you don't know their story and you don't know their future. What seems small today can become incredible tomorrow. I am Kunle Ajayi, and this is my story.
So guys, I don't know if you felt emotional, but for me I did. So please do well by leaving your review on the comment section below, or and again, in case you want me to do something, to create a video, or you have a request of the kind of video you want me to create using AI, or to show you how you can do it, please do well by dropping it on the comment section, and I will try my best to create the video for you. All right guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Love you.